Hey there everyone, and welcome back to ᴛᴡɪɪᴰ Creations. Today we are going to be making a super simple but beautiful leaf garland, perfect for decorating any space and giving your room a Thanksgiving vibe. So without further ado, let's begin the video. First, take a piece of white paper and draw some leaf shapes. You can make them as big or small as you like. If you're not sure how, start with a simple oval shape and add a point at the end. Be creative and have fun.
A few moments later.
Now, for the fun part, adding color. Use paint, markers, or crayons to color your leaves. You can use fall colors like orange, yellow, red, and brown, or any colors you like. Make sure to let the paint dry if you're using it. This is an optional step. After you have finished coloring or painting your leaves, you're now going to add decorations. You can add pom-poms, beads, and patterns to make your garland look even more festive and unique. Alright everyone, now you're going to take out your twine and lay it out. Use the tape on the back of each leaf to stick it to the twine, spacing them however you like. You can even tie them on if you prefer a different look. Alright everyone, this is the final result of our garland. Finally, it's time to hang your garland. Find a nice spot in your room or somewhere around the house where it can bring Thanksgiving vibes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making this leaf garland with me. Don't forget to subscribe to ᴛᴡɪᴰ Creations. See you next time. Bye!